How to give villager a job in Minecraft. So as you can see, I have a line of jobless individuals or villagers right here. And for every profession, there are job blocks that makes what a villager job is too. So let's say we have a loom right here. When I place it right there, it makes the villager to a shepherd. And for the smithing table, when I place it right there, it makes villager right here into a toolsmith, and for a grindstone it will make the villager into a weaponsmith. For a blaster furnace it will make the villager into an armorer, and for the smoker it will make the villager into a butcher. For the fletching table it will make the villager to a fletcher. For the cauldron it will make the villager into a leatherworker. A lectern will make a villager to a librarian, and a stonecutter will make a villager into a mason. Next is for a cartography table. When I put it right here, it will make the villager into a cartographer. So I'm just gonna remove this first so I could show you the last ones. So for a brewing stand, it will make a villager into a cleric. So as you can see, a cleric right there. And for a composter, I'm just gonna put it right there. It'll make a villager into a farmer, and lastly, a barrel, which will make a villager into a fisherman. And that's how I basically give a villager a job in Minecraft.